Hey guys, it's Courtney-Ann here. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about business, entrepreneurship, real estate, and life in general. This is part 2 of a video, so if you're gonna watch this video, I hope you've already checked out part 1 where we toured the Elizabeth unit at Edgehill in St. Mary, Jamaica. This unit is called the Diana. It is 1,658 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the price is starting at $38 million JMD upwards. Now in this complex you have different areas, so some might be a little bit smaller, some might be a bit bigger, so be sure to contact the realtor. I'm going to put her information below, and without further ado, let's begin the tour. Alright guys, so come on in with me. Let me show you what the living room space looks like. Now if you watched part 1 of this video, which I really hope you did, the layout is completely different. Now, this actually has a roomier space, if you ask me. We have our TV here. You can put your coffee table here, or if you are into storage, you can put an ottoman storage object right here. We have our love seat, 2 side tables. However, if it is that you have a large family, you could put a 3-seat couch instead of having the side tables. But guys, just entering the unit, it screams space and it screams ventilation and natural light. So once we're done with the living room area, I'm gonna go back and show you how the kitchen looks. So come on with me, let me show you the kitchen space. Now this kitchen is actually a lot different from the first unit because we actually have an island in this kitchen. So if you recall the first unit, you would have noticed that the counter comes around so that you can have high seats to dine. But for this unit, we actually have a centerpiece island where you can have people seated here, and we actually have storage underneath here. So guys, the centerpiece island does come with drawer space and also under cabinet space. So I'm gonna open it, show you what it's looking like, and we actually have 3 of these and 3 drawers up here. So behind me we actually have our sink area, and it's actually a double sink with stainless steel fixtures, and you can have a nice view of your backyard, watching your kids play while you're making breakfast or you're doing the dishes. As I mentioned in video 1, we already have a cutout space for your stove. However, if you have a smaller stove, you may have to bring in your counter a little bit, and vice versa if you have a larger stove. Now guys, what's the difference with this kitchen and part 1? That's right, dark cabinets! So you guys know dark cabinets are my favorite, and in this unit we have just that. We have lots of cabinet space, we have overhead space because you can store stuff up here as well. We have a lot of counter space for your appliances, your toaster ovens, your electric kettles, your microwave. And then behind me is actually the backyard, but we're gonna save that for last. However, before we exit the kitchen, I want to bring your attention to this statement masterpiece. All right, now guys, I would have never thought to put something like this in this space, but as you can see, it complements the room perfectly. So although this is a model unit, you can kind of get an idea of what you would like to do with the space. Now I'm going to exit the kitchen, and then I'm going to show you the first bedroom, the first bathroom, as well as the second bedroom. So come on with me. So this is our first bathroom, right? Now this can serve as a bathroom to both bedrooms, which is on my left and right, and it can serve as a guest bathroom. So we have a large mirror, single sink, adequate storage at the bottom. We have our towel rack here, so you have no need for any additional installments. All of that is already done for you. As you guys know, we're ladies, so we probably blow dry our hair and stuff, and so they put electrical sockets right beside the sink for your convenience. After that, we have a large window space allowing for natural lighting as well as ventilation. We have our toilet, and we also have our shower area. Now a rack will be here in case you want to put up your shower curtains, or you can easily invest in the retractable racks so that you can actually move it in case you want to move in the future. So now that we've wrapped up the tour with the bathroom, we're going to exit and go into the first bedroom. So on my right, we have the first bedroom, and I'm going to show you what this place is looking like. It's lightly colored, very neutral, not too bright. and it allows for a lot of warm sunny light to come into the room. As you can see, you can fit a large enough bed in here, and I'm sure you can easily go and do a king size bed as well. We have our side table here. You have a cozy corner here that you can easily, fit a little sofa or a little chair. If it is that you're using this room as a baby room, I would recommend that you put the crib space over here. And on this side of the room, we actually have a large closet, right? So this is how inside the closet is looking. And just like all the units that I've showed you in the previous videos, usually they have an overhead rack for your storage, right? But you can install shelving if you want to, as well as clothing racks. This closet also has overhead storage in case you want to store large objects. And as you can see, we have not one but actually 2 windows in this bedroom. So lots of natural light, lots of ventilation. And please bear in mind that the units do come with air conditioning as well, so you don't have to worry about installments. And additionally, you do get an overhead ceiling fan. So in case you want to, cut back on the energy a little bit, you can always just turn on your ceiling fan and cool the room down. Now that we've finished with this bedroom and the bathroom, I'm going to show you the second bedroom, which is right next to the bathroom. So come on, let's go into the bedroom. And before we go into the bedroom, guys, I want to point out that you do have a linen closet right here. So picture this, it's bedroom number 1, bathroom, linen closet, bedroom, right? So this is a pretty large linen closet. You can store your supplies, your sheets, your blankets in here. And I think it's just a perfect space. It's right beside the bathroom in case you need to restock or anything like that. Now let's show the bedroom. And here, they've actually modeled the unit for a kid's room. You know what I mean? So there's actually 2 single beds in here. However, if it is that it's just for one person, you can fit a king size or a queen size or a full size bed, right? We have 2 large windows. You can crack it when you feel like and get some cool Jamaican breeze. We have space for our dresser. We have a chair that can fit here. If you're fancy like me, personally, I would have a little sofa in case I want to relax and not necessarily be in the bed. Or if it is that you want to study, you can actually put a small desk right here and just have sort of a mini office space. It's the same thing as the previous bedroom, overhead ceilings, air conditioning units. The closet in here is slightly smaller, but it's still adequate space, and you do have overhead storage. So we finished with the first 2 bedrooms as well as the guest bathroom, or as I mentioned before, it can just be a bathroom for the 2 bedrooms right here. I'm going to be showing you the master bedroom. So follow me, we're going to go across the living room area. Now on my right here, you may be wondering what this door is, but this door actually leads out to your driveway, and the previous unit actually had that as well. I just forgot to mention it. So you do have access to your driveway area, and I'll be showing you a clip of that later on. Now in this room though, you do have your master bedroom. Look how beautiful this space is. I know it's a model unit and I know you're not going to get it furnished, but guys, it's really giving you like a good idea of what you can do with this bedroom. Now for me, I would personally have my small office space in here, or depending if I have kids or not, I may just use one of the previous bedrooms as an office space, right? But this is a decent sized bedroom. We have a large king size bed here, air conditioning units. We have 2 windows here allowing for natural light and ventilation. You have room for side tables. You have room for paintings. I mean, come on guys, this is just a large space. This is a decent sized master bedroom. Now, just like the other bedrooms as well, we do have our overhead ceiling fan. We have our dresser. You can fit a bigger dresser in here, as I said, if it is that you want more space. And where my camera lady is standing, she's going to show you in a bit, but you can actually fit an additional dresser on this side. So Daniel, come over here and just show them what the space behind you was looking like. So over here, guys, you can fit an additional nightstand if it is that you need extra storage, right? Otherwise, you don't need to. If you're good with the space, that's fine. Now behind Daniel, there is room for a walk-in closet, and then I'm also going to show you the bedroom. So if you look into this room, This is actually the walk-in closet. Now, please excuse the chairs in the room. They're probably using it for storage right now. But the fact that we can fit 2 large chairs in here, it just goes to show you how big the closet is. You know what I mean? We have overhead racks. And I always advise you guys to install your hanging shelves or your hanging racks right here as well, so that you can get additional room to hang stuff. And then we have additional floor space for you to store large objects, you know what I mean? So we're gonna head out, and then I'm gonna be showing you what the master bathroom looks like. This is how your master bathroom is looking, right? So you have a walk-in closet here, glass doors, overhead shower with stainless steel fixtures. You have your toilet here. Once I step out, you will notice that there is a large mirror, a large sink with also lots of storage below. Look how big that storage space is, right? On the other side of the bathroom, you do have your towel rack installed. So like I said, no need for installment. You already have your things set up. Guys, from what I can tell you, this complex has a lot of amenities. I'm talking 24-hour security, a clubhouse, indoor gym, you know, a running trail in case you're one of those joggers in the morning time. Now I'm going to be showing you the backyard area of the property, and then I'm going to be giving you clips of the front yard as well, because you do get a backyard. What's the perfect home without a backyard? Let's go. Guys, so you just saw the washing area, and where I'm standing, I would classify it as a small backyard patio. You can put some chairs right here, a small coffee table here in case you want to have a hangout spot. But if you're a fan of the sunlight, when we step out, we have a beautiful backyard at your convenience. You know, you can have a small jacuzzi here if you want to. I mean, let's face it, we're in the Caribbean, the nice hot sunny weather. A jacuzzi would be perfect right here. Or if you're a family man or a family woman, a barbecue grill is perfect for this space as well. If you want to see your kids play, you can install a little play area. And of course, I'm sure when you get your unit, if you want some privacy, you can install some fencing here and also on my left, right? Now, before I move on, guys, if you're interested in purchasing any of these units, go ahead and contact Miss Nadeen Neal. She is the realtor for this property, and she will take care of you. So if you're watching this and you're interested, go ahead and give her a call, because you're going to be in good hands. I'm going to put her number on the screen below, as well as her Instagram handle, Your Jamaican Realtor. Tell her that Courtney-Ann sent you guys, and be sure to check out this property. St. Mary is a beautiful parish. The climate is cool. The atmosphere is lovely. The air is clear. I mean, guys, look at this view. This is the perfect home for you and your loved ones. I'm actually considering to come up here again because the weather is just absolutely amazing. So we're going to wrap up the tour now, get some clips of the front of the house, because I'm sure you guys are interested in seeing that driveway that I mentioned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, because we post real estate tours like this all the time. So if you're interested in seeing the types of homes that Jamaica has to offer, stick around and join the family. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite part of this house tour. For me personally, it was definitely the master bedroom, because I am a fan of coziness and comfort. So after this clip, you're going to be seeing the front yard, you're going to be seeing the driveway that I mentioned, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.